an example of a my guess is that you guys have probably been here before. That's spring. You've probably been to the banner schedule, right? You've seen this. You can do stuff like this. Actually, you'd want to do this. Go all the way down to the bottom and copy and paste that into a spreadsheet, and it will treat it as a spreadsheet. Import it the same way you've been doing it. And so then what I did as a demo was took that data from some semester, and let's look at instructors. Okay, so we'll look at Adams. There we go. And then I made every column navigable. And you should be able to think through how to do this now because you've got the tools. So if I wanted to see all the things that are taught by Adams, I've got that. If I want to see all the MGT courses, if I want to see all the courses taught in room 1107, or all the courses that are numbered 485, or all the sections that are numbered 01H, it's not so super interesting unless you're a faculty member who wants to know, is somebody teaching in a room I'd like to teach in at a time I'd like to teach it. But what I've done is I've taken a spreadsheet and made it fully navigable. So you can navigate on any column, any field. It's a special kind of hypertext called a rhizome that is basically a self-contained, fully navigable set of data. This is kind of cool, and I could see this as a video game kind of issue. You know, you might navigate through all characters to see what tools they have, what levels they're at, where you want a full picture of something. And this would be kind of cool to build. If you find that you're interested in this, send a note to the DesignWrite group, and I'll respond and send you the links to this. But I just wanted to show you that as a different way of messing around with data. So some of you are going to find that this notion of sheets, spreadsheets, and data, and cells, and lists is really interesting, and you're going to put some effort into making this. Others are going to say, too data intensive, and you want to head more towards text. So I just wanted to do that for like 20 minutes. We did that. I'm going to stop there and start another.